Last class we discussed about the applications of the conservation of the linear momentum. So today we'll discuss about one additional topic that is called the impulsive force. So you have to know what is the impulsive force. I write the definition here. So the force which has high magnitude which has high magnitude and it acts for a short duration of time. It's called impulsive force. So the total effect of the force is called the impact. Example is that suppose if I take hammer and if I take a nail. So you want to if I want to hit the nail with the hammer, then if I just want to press little bit, this will not affect. But what you have to do, you have to hit the nail with the hammer. That means you have to apply the force for a very short and interval of time. So that is known as the impulsive force, or in short form it is called impulse. The total effect of the force is called impulse. So at the time of accidents, the damages occurs due to this impulsive force. As everything happens, force applied a very short interval of time. So that is why everything breaks down, and everything becomes like a disaster happens. So impulse will be equal to force into time. That means I is denoted as impulse. I is equal to F into T. So also you can say that impulse is also defined as the change of momentum of a body. So you can write impulse is also determined or defined as a change in momentum of a body. Why? Because I is equal to what? I is equal to F into T. What is F? F is equal to mv minus mu by t, and this multiplied with the t. So this t will get cancelled. Then it will become the change in momentum. So is equal to change in momentum. So now what is the SI unit of the impulse? SI unit impulse is equal to force into time. What is the SI unit of force? Force is Newton into second. So Newton second. Also you can write what is the S Newton. Newton is kilogram meter per second square into seconds. So also you can write kilogram meter per second. Also can be written kilogram meter per second. So this is the impulse. So what is impulse? Impulse, the force which has high magnitude and it acts for a very short duration of time is known as the impulse. So now we'll discuss about the different types of formula we learned throughout this chapter, so that you can memorize this one, because the formula will be useful to do the numericals. So I'm going to write that. First one we learned, this one is important formula, right? Important formula. Formulae. Okay. So first one will be P is equal to small p. P is equal to m into v. This is nothing but momentum. And next one is F is equal to mv minus mu by t. That is called force. Or also from here you can derive m, you take common, then v minus u by t. V minus u by t means acceleration. So you can write m into a. So also the third formula you can write. Third formula, F is equal to m into a. F is equal to ma. Fourth one, I is equal to F into T, impulse. I is impulse. So also you can write I is equal to, also you can write fifth. So I is equal to change in momentum. Equal to mv minus mu. Next one is conservation of linear momentum. Sixth, last formula. So momentum before collision will be momentum after collision. Or in the firing of gun or bullet, the momentum before firing will be equal to the momentum after firing. So you can write m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. So these are all the important formulas. So here P is the momentum, right? P is the momentum, F is force. So P is equal to momentum F is equal to force, then m is mass, a is acceleration, t time, and I is impulse. I impulse, I is equal to impulse, and v and u are velocities. Okay, so in this way the chapter is almost over, That means the theory part is almost over. So next class we'll continue with the numericals and different types of question and answers. Okay, so thank you very much.